Johnny. Don't play.
Ima kima no ina working out the normal Kenya.
Why not me? Man, now I find out if Vivian, I'm a Vivian is pregnant now. Very ugly thing. Even pregnancy, mommy fit. Vivian not be here. Who they too flat? Who they clear? Oh, we are not doing a marrow when I be you are you what? 3 days even away. When I poko. When I see what thing that or did they do? Well, I will see Vivian Azora. I will see now. Vivian, I will see where Yazora Kakabe. I will see where Yazora. Although, yeah, I'm a BB. But understand? When I was talking, what I was saying, we are here. You want to get the other. We are there when one hour you get that big. I barely work when 1 hour you get that big. I said, no, you never get big. You go you get it. What's the hour you will never get big? I barely 1 hour. You want to call me one day, all the time where a parade, your bonnet fan. If I think he had the place you were. Because for my coming, any make be not where as a no only men make when one better than yeah. La reo o no virabo, Larry. AKA Isioluk or Daffy Widow. Yeah, it to a Douglas. As in to a Douglas, you know where. I tell you why. I'm asking you a question. Oh God, this is sweet me, make a drink beer. Let me chill. Oh, Erabo. No matter plaster weather after 25 years in abroad. No matter working. After 25 years in abroad with documents, documented in Europe for good 25 years up to now. The boy. In fact, I need to be talking to my fellow mates, not you. Me am here on ogwimegu and ogwimegbe. E wan dey do walaji. Do mezedo ale destiny bagwa. Abu kwa wan. Abu duma. Yana gwimegu ogwimegbe because why anyway so we vow we have win yana company they do. Wansan yana they co. They have multi cars near fee. Yana gwimegu I go feel sober. I go feel bad. You boy agman you know why? Because in terms of financial aspects, you are selling. The mag beggars near Bobo, I can away on the if I'm at their home base. You understand? They pass me. So if me when they pass so, this is your godfather. I'm talking about your godfather. I'm comparing me and you now compared to the people you choose as your godfather. If we see they do business together, like business partner, I will call them my business partner. We will do business. And they buy for their hand. They say, for me, if I need something like this goods where they no sell, they don't charge. I go to their car stand, I'll buy car for their hand, I'll pay cash, I'll carry the commode. Now, compared to you they talk to me, boss of all boss, chairman of all chairman. Like you, where be say, we mighty di keke ya no man, where do no badge as a whole. He cannot come and say, we mighty a day. You have been in Europe for past 25 years in abroad. Since 1999, all level, umaiti e dikeke, ne family well, not you well, your own elder brother. Now you police arrest of John who is the manager of John don't have basico. Wait, they come office to the work. Just get it. Just listen carefully. We be 9 boys. 9 good boys. We my papa born. You don't feel me so? That 9 boys. 2 boys for inside. 1, 2, 3. 4. 3 boys for inside. I don't buy the car. Dash. Free. Make they flex themselves. Not be keke na pego. Not be second hand user quick direct better with cellophane. Me we dey abroad for good 7 years now. They here now. 7 years now. I don't do this abroad so. I don't buy. Give friend of mine, tight friends, not be brother. Tight good friend. When I say friend, just me I say my personal person. Say bro, take. They use on the cruise town. Then I don't buy. Give 3 for my own brother. Then 1 for my own best friend, my bestie for Nigeria. You the creditor say, you know the dresser, you don't get clothes, you don't get clothes, you are idiots. I don't get clothes where they wear. I need care. I get house. Where I think go put my head tomorrow. If as I did this year now, they deport me go Nigeria, I not go rent house. I don't my drink. Call the same beer you are. When they send you money now, when they give information, ask them months about me, may tell you. I bet you want to know the kind of person we are be, know the grace we are carrying, then can they follow me. If you don't know me, I tell you. When I know her, we not get filling station. When I know her, now transport company gets not get filling station. Through me, he gets 1, he gets 2 filling station. All the ideas come from me as a business wise. And when I leave her, 4 months ago, he sold 1. The only one I could get now. Una frustrate that woman to number 0. To the extent she was forced to say, I know they give again. Don't play. When you are under grace, you will carry grace. You will never be disgraced. And when you leave grace, you end up with disgraced. Where are we to live? Don't play. If now you, now see I be you are, when I see I be you are. When woman, for your prayer card, $300,000. Woman, from your present can't for your crocodile. It can't when 2 of my dead call. It can't when it can't $300. $300. Not be saying now 100 naira. We talk about $300,000. You tell them, say, babe, this money you can invest for that same country where you did so. Do something like this, do something like this. Say, hey, you sure? Yes, you can do it. You give her that encouragement, you give her that encouragement. You don't want. Nothing go for that one again. You do another one. Tell me where that kind of woman not go die for that man. Una order to bring make a chop, bring make a chop, bring make a chop, bring make a chop. See you and your rat's wife with Sarah's now. They shout like parrots. Now they shout like parrots. The both of you don't have business wise. 2 couples this house will not get any investment. Fools. And you feel say, orphanage home, when you open that investment, you are a mugru. I don't mind drink. If orphanage home na investment, you not go reach your hand. People like the Meru they go they don't get orphanage like 20 all over the world. Orphanage home is a place, it's a charity organization. We call it charity organization. If you don't really know, it's just because you guys are scammer. You're not scamming the people in the diaspora at large with your orphanage home. Real orphanage home is called charity organization. You have it inside. You are giving it out to people who doesn't have. You will be orphan. You want to give orphans. Ajabo, you and your household are orphans. You are street beggars. You don't have anything. So you are expecting people to bring gift to you, to give to people. If they give you 1 naira, you give them 16 kobo. 16 kobo. No, you 1 kobo. 1 kobo. Keep 9 kobo for your account. 99 kobo for your account. You think you smart. Just the play. Ordinary Indomie. People buy Indomie. Go give your own orphanage job. You put on for perfect. Can you imagine? Indomie. When on the spoil. Indomie that is beyond carton. Sealed and on carton. For kids that are in your orphanage home. People who are celebrating their birthday. Because they know you as a live video presenter. They want to patronize you. They want to go to your orphanage home and send you a gift to the children there. Not be you at Jabo, the children there. But what do? You sow those food stuff that's been brought to your orphanage home to put money in your pocket to start building your own house. I don't want to go on. Before you start an orphanage, you know they're okay. You don't trouble a fool. We are here right now. You are a fool. Oh, you the fool. You the fool yourself. You the even you are big bass and you native. You native okay uniform. Is your platform a net platform? And I'm a net is your. This is the disadvantage of being drawing things in your body. Do you care who you talk? Go out fresh, care who you talk. I am marking a road where I can cover. A marking where you are, I say. Now you are going to say. Who are you tattoo your cover? We know the story. I don't want to drink. I want you. Share this video to Ayota.
Iwana, no nache ejewe, we send an offender bielwa. Almost ne dollar wahala buwe, we send an offender bielwa.
Oh.
Abielwa na mujana ke New Jersey. One do say, please, I want you to be my lover. One go tell me.
No.
If I bought law, we will go.
Yes, no, because
they know where say when you see that buwe.
He said.
Abielwa na rudame.
But you go me
na do ponwe. Otefi we ni as o asset mo system. Goes around, toes around. Abielwa, how you calling me now? You my way you back home. When I get calling me or my coming, but you are the one who baby move. All time we are you mesera.
Okay. Abielwa said no you were azera. We send Abielwa azera. Oh, the master of Abielwa. Although you was there. That be woman you also we send Abielwa azera. You know what? Yeah, what we have here, it was Douglas. Then it was Douglas now. We're sending we to Douglas. No, I admitted to Douglas away. Or turn away. We were with Douglas in there. When I got here, it is the burn of the mark. No soon. It was Douglas no more one when we are both on the home. When I got with Douglas, it is the burn or the market. Nivabola we biaja ame we work with you na so agboa. What are you saying? I'm here to answer you. Don't play. The man we can village there. Me we can village there go benya. He came on the platform. I'm announcing to you now. If you don't know me, you know. The paper already be paid. If you don't know, then you do the Chris. Just do my post here. Go up transformer. Why saga the lot of the boy? Ni given we are all nowhere. We know yet be a career. If I will open my platform for her to come beat you and say useless husband, we don't get shame. We can even boy. One year can do. Who is war? When they passport, who work over that from wherever zoo are you when you run the other job center. You are still on that job center. Why are compare not know what? Vitalima, you are a mugu. Go learn. Why are compare on what? Oh, well, I tell you, no, no, blow. Oh, no, zoo. No. I tell you what we're going to I don't know when Negri. Yaga is saga. Enemy look back. It's just showing up. You don't feel so? They show up. Oh, you know whatever you are. They will have nothing. Go into the family of Abiwa. You got your leg here. You are getting you will know where Abiwa is the leg. For where Junos are this. Or Tino Buero Gemniva. No wagu wero e Germany we ba. Go check that woman. What he do for Nigeria? Where's Zuo? Hamalawa. I na boy. Don't play. Madam, na ni mu da gona. Una mure wa. Una mure beke. Oh God. Isioluk, na me your nightmare. You and your wife more nightmare who are. Where's Zuo? Babola we be last check up. I don't my drink. I'm a young. Even way baby walk by. Ya wall you a ya bay you a billy. Quack on no. They were not going to overlap your sister. Was soon sell manual after many years in abroad. Me must send a friend that we send a friend there. It did not go up. They did not go near Kaka bed. The sin who you want. Who's a friend? Your number couldn't. Not only am I again. But when I got water. How stupid and useless you are. Una go Vivian as we speak right now. Vivian you don't want to. Vivian is married legally in abroad. Una am going on traditionally in Nigeria. Una me kone. Una go plan together. Na ya Otabo, late Otabo, who was the husband of Vivian, who gave birth to that child. No go what the brother of Otabo was in that house. Vivian not where for no get. No get. Undik be no am. Vivian am ha. On to Otabo, no kitali ade e Germany. No Otabo ya pick mo ajowa. What's the name of Otabo? La the man today. The man is still in Germany with wife. I will expose you the more. Don't play. Time will come, I will expose you. The death of Otabo, I will expose you. When time reach, we will fight for justice for the death of late Otabo. If not bad, I'm gathering you. Oh, wait, tell me, this is I will gather your information tight and blue. When time reach, I will bust them on this media. Everybody will catch fire. How that man take die? What take that man? Vivian, you will be whole responsible. You never know anything, just the play. The family, they look you. The family of Ottawa, they are still watching you on Ogogo. They know what you are here. And we are got here. And they are saying, what do I?
I will play what Timothy and yes, I will. So then,
I will be what Timothy and the boy. Oh. Some people are really stupid for me. Okay, damn well. Ogo go me tu owa. Omo amohi. Omo ame no ma oge baba. E ogo go. Come down here do wa gbebu. Your baby mama, your second wife, no raise Spain will be happy seeing me disgracing you every day. Because of Bawe. Of Bawe. Ige Madola Dore Madrid. Talk Bawe. Oh yeah, go in my book here. She called me. Oga Neru me. We will see. Come on, there you know we laugh. If you not can't jebo, you might not can. You got jebo, you done jebo. You record one. You record one. You show you where. No be one will be me for no go to Spain. No where they will. Let you record because you not record every time. You might go to record here. It is like you live because you calling you more pitching radio. Call me speak. Or go on, you allow. You more pitching. Yati book to about or you allow. In the body you know you way more. In the body you know you way money years, social media. You are not constantly man concerning. Ajebo we M1 or Jebo is for 20 years. Now, I just my domo da. Or my domo da. You go no one here, to a dog glass. Or when you go in the morning, he paid those children by 600 euro. I want to dog glass in the morning till today. O my domo da. You know who is Spain. Bloody baby. Then why say, oh, that way life with you. With the way Adazona CSC. Adazona Ambassador de Dia. Adazona CSC. Ambassador de Dia. A CEO of Adabo Fanajum. Who do all gab gab. Amia Yao. Or a fee. Or anyway. Where in me, Umaya Nemonubia, Unaya Nere, Undua, O Yiki. Umadi Wayas why. Or where you might be what? Enjoy. Eyi ma gbe wa ejoe owuwe kuma evunwe when I kokoe useless man central man 419 orphanage home Ajebo orphanage home is a 419 orphanage home where me yawo if you were raise pain on a bian if you were now osun me kiane we me we no mi go the pampas in one day we have a period we no we mi go me €100, me €50 waiver. 2 girls. You have 2 girls who are adults. Yes, they can the way woman. Nobody amigo near they compass at all. But you are here talking about Wazaga.
Hey, big boy, man, you get level, bro. You get level, bro. Where me are you wanna give me now? Where you wanna? And where my way forward there, mommy. All right. Una here, congratulations to our group. Una here? Oh, my God, John of now you're in a do the organization. What better women on the boy and I are depressed. Although wait on the view, or anywhere, Imam we in the way in the Italian, your man. Allah will eat theater. Allah is condemned. A career Allah will good.
What is the view? Or what is the view? Because I will say here, social media. What is the view? Anyway, Yahweh Saga. Okay, let's assume what is the view. You know, that is a big boy. To buy view, you know. I'm seeing I'm a big man. So, in the view. A sister, don't have view, men. No, we didn't put out €500. You get back in some more than $100. You know why I said, I made the view. Go and collect a view. Not like you know him. 20 years to come, you will come and play the video again. Well, yes, when I said this word years back, ask me for you. I don't believe in buying view. Yeah, well, woman guy.
But as far as woman tell them as Agba, no matter what tell but we as Agba na or damn ena ladian ena mo bo gbe we gbe. Agbo won ya ya meje. Iwori esenu me ni gogoji e o damn onye me tosi no kana no wo ana ni na ge. A frank alalu ijobo no you can.
Mama Kemi is going to regret about you very soon.
He can be the regretting.
She will come back and come back.
No ya ye odiere wo ni e. O ya su pe yu po. No sun wo wa gbon.
Even we ni wo kere we ni.
No one can a movement, not one no yato.
No very tough, no go me.
Oh we e wa come ni wa.
Not so coming over. Oh, no, go away. A very way I just started wedding one. Why was that not so zoo? Many way ask why I give. Oh, don't get a cabe. No more to your cotty, the gem. Mudokia. Room de kia una sword when you put courts. Your own husband who kill your own mother. Or 2 way una swear to court. The same of two way or a balamena boa no way bijweba. The same of 2 way or a balamen na ya boa no way bijweb not but way bijweba. Or 20 una mo de court ejemi. Una swear at the court. Una go to expose your atrocity or do expose when you ya balamen babowani. Wherever bu una you gbashawo Umati ya buwa. Etu na wa balame. Ina balame. The bigila no ga wani. After the house have been built, is where wani. A jebona mo suku nfi wani. Because if you ma kwena jebo mo fona ju mari wani. If you ma kwe na jebo mo fona ju mari wani. Wow, ala bo la we. Ajabole go there. When you no give we no bezansan. When you no give no we no bezansan social media. We no give mu yen call to it. Ni ero you already go yari. How you many na be here no give say video no ma give no get two mu yan we. Na no give mu yen call to him. Am I who pay? 201. Ajabo, you are my stepson. I repeat, and I will always be you are my stepward son. Ijwe away. Ijwe ni beg you know be kungoni. Ya yeke abuju ekun. Imi ayeke abuju ekun. Doke. Women na to my to my history where one oye wo. History where e yare be one. Ama delete e yare oye wo. Oye yon kan. Don't see this one perfect. DJ Charles. The first person here on my list is DJ Charles. No, not DJ Charles. They my friends. I don't want to bring her. Come on. DJ Charles no go in Madrid. Okay. Palma de Mallorca, glory. The same glory. No more tungwere. Ebuwa, little joker. Una ye bomb manipulate glory. A glory my the man you picture because the glory call again here any. Very young mo 20 at the way. Hello? Oreo. Yes. Oh yeah, walk back. Yes. You know, not to I could be destiny. Could be destiny. Yes. He said, oh. He said, okay. Yeah. Yes. 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 Oh. Let's see. Exactly. Exactly. Let's see. Tiny. Let's see. Off with me. Off with me. Let's see. Mommy. Okay. Because when you Kakabo, the muffin master, the muffin master, the muffin master, the owner. I had the movie I give it done. No, voila. Awesome. Yo, I will not go as my medenia. Yeah, one. No, voila, what? Listen. I must greet you. Listen, thank you. It's Cabo. Let me have breaking only look at the video. What's it? Thank you very much. I appreciate it. What? All right, man. All right, man. What's it? I appreciate it. What's it? Thank you. Yes, my people, I greet you with better style. Before I continue to the beats, Ajebo, please share this video. Yes, share this video. Share the video. Before I break this. My friend talk about no. So when they talk about when they do brokers, they always say one word. Say Manchester people, I am coming for you guys. Adulterous women in Manchester. I was supposed to say this thing yesterday, but he escaped me. And I was supposed to also say on this afternoon. Fortunately, he escaped me. You understand? So, guys, let's listen. First of all, let's talk about the Manchester before I come back to Ajebo. That's why I say you guys should share the video. You understand? And if I still come to my other level one Best Exam talk show, I will also make it official. I will also say it there. You understand? Now, first, the issue of Manchester women when they commit adulterous. When I say I want to carry person on Manchester, I want to put on the body Wortoworto. Now reality, now real for real. So, and I always talk saying, you were there Manchester, 2 pikin, 2 papa, they commit adulterous and they come for you. So the person know herself, and she called. When she called, I was yesterday. So yeah, what yesterday morning, early morning, the way from now she wake me for sleep with friends. They called, they put me on conference call, you know. They say they watch my video. Say sister will come for no way, we don't know our way, blah 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 blah. Say they watch the video, say the way the description, the word what comes off my mouth. Say exactly she. You understand? Say good. And she started talking. I said, yes, not truth, not you. You understand? But I never want to carry your picture, come out, come they saga you. You understand? That was why I just hit on the rich road. Then she put on for ground, she explained everything. How many times she just tried to refund the bride price, but there's no avail. You know? So immediately he called the father, called the mother. We were all on call together. One of the list, you know. We were all on what? On conference call together. Both the father, the mother, the friends. We were all on call. We were all discussing, you know. I said, yes. According to custom and tradition, you still belong to that man. So I said, prepare your head. For you dating another man, it's an abomination. And that's what I'm against. That's adulterous. And you know it. The family said, yes, that's true. The father, the mother, they accept. They say, yes, I'm very, very right. I'm very correct. So what do? They have tried all their efforts, their possible effort to return the bride price. But no avail. And I said, no. Don't dash first the bride price. Go return the bride price. If not, I'm still coming on this media to saga you as a adulterous woman. Your picture will be out. You will know. So you will sleep around your matrimonial home. Because why? You leave your husband without returning the bride price. Let me see you divorce. You say yes, because if you marry legally for abroad and you don't seek for divorce, the man name will still follow your document. Go. Anything you want to do, the man name will reflect as a married woman. So what I was saying, the same thing goes to tradition. So you have to go to the needful. And the father and the mother say, okay, no problem. But see how far they don't go all these years. And I said, okay. If there is no way, the person they prove stubbornness, I can handle it my own way. The bride will return. Straight down. And I will talk so. The bride will return. They will collect with not get a big pass. And the woman said, so really say yes. The woman was happy. So okay. Today, you want me to change the pass? Okay, no problem. The father and the mother, they move on. To God be the glory, the bride was returned peacefully. That same yesterday. Peacefully, the bride price was returned. The woman was happy. And she was set what free. And she called me and said, I don't return the bride price. So say you not go saga me again. As an adulterous woman. I said, no, you are free. You understand? You are what? Free. So I said, don't do bride price. If you like, date Jesus Christ, you don't concern me. So I said, bride price, don't do your head again. You don't return her. So for that, this is why I bring this issue, because now many people expect me to bring out the person picture we did for Manchester, for London, UK, we don't do UK. You understand? So the issue of that woman has been settled. The bride price has been returned. Now she's not going to be saga anymore because she's no longer an adulterous woman. Peacefully. You understand? So this life, in every nonsense, there is always a sense. I always say it, in every nonsense, there is always a sense. If not for me, now, bringing out, say, person wait there for UK, we're not there, okay. You are adulterous woman, I'll bring you commands. You migrate from Holland, I mean from Norway, where you don't know your way, come UK. So she heard the video, she watched the video, and she have to call me. Say, now me you they talk to. You understand? And I see immediately, I see the conductor that film is on. I don't even know. I don't do like I don't issue. And she said, I say, yes, now you are the talk. I never want to bring your picture commands. Normally. But to God be the glory. The bride price was returned peacefully, without no fight. No bass books anymore. She's free. Now, that one go down. Wait now, make me tell that thing now where they use bring the comments. If I talk something, you know so that you dey form Oduga. You dey believe in yourself. When I start to disgrace you, I know they turn back. If I start your disgrace, I know they turn back. And you know me say I don't take bribe. In the film, so I know they turn back because why you go do the needful. Just like this Julia meeting, where bride price they are ahead for years. Since that time, bride price they do prick on top. And they form bulls. They go particularly respected 100 naira. We don't the shape. Local champion. Local league. Ogbe film local league. You feel me so? If she gets sense, return bride price. She don't go see her award my mat again. You feel me? The mat me a photo. If I get that straight, I'll go. If I beat you, I'll leave your place. You get that straight. May you still get that straight. If I don't recover here, I'll come beat you again. That's for you. You go no say. You see that useless character where you get so go change my purse. I know where. To say to with Boggle, that's how you no. You know, free me. Another one side. Now, Isioluk is a ball, and it remains a ball. Once a ball is always a ball. Even though you don't grow baby, you are still a ball. Underwear because why? Before you grow baby, don't grow white hair. I get ball, I got you remain a ball, and you always be a ball. So that video where they beat you so, and they let you know, see me, I'm ready for you and your wife. You understand? Everybody may we celebrate as your favorite food. Big ball. That's to know how classic I am. Ajabo. The food I reject, my remnants is not your favorite food. Boy, man, let me drink beer now. Today, so, I don't boy. If my own remnants become your favorite food, it showed how big I am. You feel me? If you like say you don't understand the English is too large for you. Let me kill it down. If I name for when I eat your best food, when I eat fried rice in way, that means I'm a big boy, I'm a big man. They may feel away because you have your back when you're away, no mass on me. That's me. Now grace, bro. Who carry grace can never be disgrace. After all this, your talk, saga, bass goes back, but I never have faith the grace. I still remember who I am. I get more view, I get more connection. You don't feel me so? So you have to go learn. If you want to do broadcast, you go write agreement with my hand. I'll teach you how to do broadcast. I'll give you more account. You feel me? You see, women of nowadays, they are intellectual, they have brain, they know what they want as a woman. You being a man, come up for live video, drop that off your body, because they show shirts. They naked yourself on media. They show your breasts, they show your shirts all the time with your videos. Without no integrity, no respect of yourself. You're not able to think about your stupid so-called woman. That will not be a woman of shit. That one a shower now. You guys are really hungry, bro. And when they tell you as I did so, this live video, I can feed you, feed your wife, you're pregnant for hours. The one they watch woman yash for Germany, and they don't yash they walk. And they watch. Now she don't get better, she did when they walk again. What do you need to do now to carry Pangolo the play guitar? With your picking, piano talk. See how stupid you are. Things you are trying to do now, I've done it before. That's my things we are not bring commands. Music saga that bring commands. As I bring a don't they pick up. They don't go buy small guitar. From small guitar, I buy the big guitar. Now this my budget, like my music saga. Right from 2021. Go watch my video. I started it. The things you are trying to practice to do now, what can over do pass. Bro, let's talk about things of achievement in life. You born for our bro, you know they take care of them. Bros. Me they promise you now, say, this year, I want to start to be born now. And they give you control and they give you promise that me want to start to be born, me you know, make I teach you how to be born and how to take care of the king. I want to teach you now how to be born and how to take care of the king. Because who is Zua? You believe say the way you live life so now the way family is supposed to live life. You feel say if I get a woman, marry a woman for us, where I pay a bride price, I'm going to hide them for food. I'm going to hide them for saga, no. You believe say I'm not going to give my woman all that said speak. She will speak. They not born that woman well. If you don't know, make you know. I know give woman say speak, she go speak. I might be a speaker.
I think you should do that. Now, if they work the music and only finish this way, almost what song? If they break the weather. I want to play you one hospital, hospital good. Maybe it's from the school, I will go to the hospital, I will have the hospital. I play one.
What be you an hospital boy? There's one thing I will tell you. What be you an hospital? Hospital boy. You believe Mugu or dead.
There you are. They are killing party. There you are. They must kill a party.
Let me play one audio. It doesn't really matter. Who be this person want to give her proof, sir? I want to give you proof. I want to give you proof. I want to play you one. I want to play you one audio. If she tell you say she don't do your start, that means they deceive you. I for play you one audio. Now, Abeyiwa they do birthday. I don't use my platform to celebrate for all the nonsense which they do. The next thing I do for Abeyiwa, I only wish her happy birthday on WhatsApp. And that's all. So, if you don't know, make you know. Get it clear. Don't play. Abeyiwa is a woman that can never change. That's why, for me to call her and tell her I'm sorry for back, I'm going to talk on live video. And I'll cry to her. See her. I said, when I called her, she didn't pick. I said, call me when you are less busy. Happy birthday to you, my beautiful angel. Mom, years for you to celebrate. Enjoy your day. That's the last conversation. If you know, make you hear. Ajebo. Now.
At the hospital, with your phone. Let me voice message.
If you don't know hear what you talk, make her drag the speaker come closer. Ajebo, does that yo?
At the hospital, with your phone. Send me voice message.
You say, at the hospital, don't you carry your phone, send me voice message. You know why I don't send her voice message? She's not trustworthy. Okay? This is me, but with a smile. She's not what? She's not trustworthy. Say no here now. Ajabo, udawa. Listen again.
At the hospital, with your phone. Send me voice message.
You deaf, Abi, you not here. At the hospital, don't you carry your phone, send me voice message. Because that's a voice message you go send, can't give you when you go play. Hello? I greet you. Hello? You know the speaker? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Okay. It is speaker.
Now, people, if you get money, you really need to help the less privileged. Then you go for orphanage. You don't go for orphanage or not make you they expect money from people. That one are still their trick now.
God bless you.
If you go for orphanage, you will not say you get money, you do okay. Now the one where we met, then you can take the less privileged. This is why they go for now. He use how they collect money now from people, still their trick. You see that for us now. You say you do orphanage for Nigeria. You they use how they
Thank you very much, ma. Yeah. You see, he said the message we are sent for our birthday. Now I be about read for live video. This is the message. I called her, she refused to pick. And she played me a voice record saying, I am in the hospital. I can't pick calls. Call me. Play me voice record. I sit down and reason and said, this girl, I don't trust her. Yes, now. I don't trust her. You don't feel me? So, I called again. Immediately, his brother voice record, I called. He refused to pick. And I said, okay, call me when you are less busy. Happy birthday, my beautiful angel. Mom, yes, for you to celebrate. Enjoy your day. That's the last conversation. She read it. She refused to call back or play voice record again because why? She know what she do. Now, I never read this message on his platform. Automatically shows that I bet you will forward this same message straight down to Adebo. You understand? And she forgets I get all our records for you. All our voice records. Starting from this show, bass, including Ajebo, including what's it called? Bass, what do they call it? MC Papilo, I have Papilo toast everything. The music, the same, I'm going to give her. But everything, all the blah, including, what do they call them? Unto say many, what's the one to? How many of you talk? You know what I mean? It's a nonsense. Those are rubbish. I don't really get time for those nonsense. You definitely so. You know why I played this particular one? As I get talk, you're going to say, I believe we're not the hospital. Me now Tower Hospital. The video they can see. Now baby they talk now, baby when they talk by ourselves.
At the hospital, I'll wait for your phone.
Call me.
Send me a voice message.
At the hospital, don't carry your phone. Send me a voice message. Yeah.
At the hospital, I'll wait for your phone. Send me a voice message.
Isioluk, don't play. Hey, are you buyer? 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 Oh, whoa, not so okay. You know, in the Yahoo. A life you don't have time now. As a man, you will marry a woman that understand you. Woman, when you go blink eye for like this for public, you don't even know what you're going to talk. Guy, man, you will not catch up already. Sharp woman. The same thing. I just bought with him wife na criminal. I go sit down here, beg, where are they so? Ewa yi. E kenaru woto already. Ewa de right na do awai. I just bought we una. Ibizu be we no soda. E de na eriwo. Nu we una. Ni ate e ku ni erosi. You go your side or we no send we una. Today, erosi ogbabe yiwa. When my benefit of baby you are, when the rose benefit, better than a rose of you born with two. A year now the rose yard, a year mahara. A year mahara, but he must send. When you have your name, you have your Diego. Utterly here. Oh, not gone. That's young Diego, everything about one worker, all of your getting. Day before was not yesterday here. I mean yesterday be birthday. That yesterday here or the first day. Now be a birthday. Via badato. Via badato. Via badato. Oh God, I think here. Yesterday here. Our birthday. That's how you know an evil woman who came into the life of a man to destroy man. Abeyiwa is an evil woman who came into my life to think she can destroy me, but instead you go destroy herself. Now life they were talking so. Here gear the life you want to destroy to boy back. Boy already you know we have no walk your way. Every time I be like, you are born na igbe. I zero your ball. You go no man. No I say your body. You be the be. E bonu we winner. I said it test that number. They can you turn my own brother against me. Obi yi many me dimoto muna. Obi yi many me dimoto muna the match me here better. Abi wanna turn against me. Abi will use my own brother to go to native daughter to go work against me. Which lead to big quarrel as we speak today. My wife could including my overall senior brother. Honor him, or even not make that provoke with my own junior brother. Where can the work or we will call you? Your 2 or 3 in the way are you double? Una drive. Una are you double? You are only get your 2 way, not senior way. We must see not senior brother. Or probably when you are one, una buya, they will do with them. Or Tiny Nicky, Ovidian, Erin in the one. Be a wow, you know, you my way. Yes, you would. None one call me for force. See what did happen? I said, me, say yes. Now we did it. I tell you why I'm not going now. He may win whom if I talk, should be a smoke. It go bloody, oh, not be joke. Don't my drink. Oh, where's water, but maybe rock back. Where we are down. If you hear the real fact, you're wrong. You're twirling. One minute, I mean, when maybe no money out of the open, no picture of the including McAfee. Ya said me Kevin and Hannah, no watch a woman. I've the picture of this dog bono. I don't my drink. Oh, I know. But when I bag it, had a year. A year quick, a color. Negia be. Amen. I'm not your one. No, here I think we may know when you go. What one no? Do you even know who men were? You don't know. No, we may your go. If I'm here, laugh with it. We'll go on back with jet. We'll know we may your go. The way oh, soon. Even make the Canadian word, don't play. Because you know where I did. I'll join this son. You know, I did. Don't play with them, don't joke with them. Or book bar on the other foot of it. Here, what wala. Here, what the Yuki. Here, what I'm my soil. Hey, are you boy? Yo, I will give my bone. Mon memoir. O tout no mo no wa. Ajabo we le. Igera e de we gwalo. Ola pa ben wu na ro ya ni wa e we. Go ya wi u me be. Me na na be bana me do azu o mo. We are how we ya hu na ko for job. Ko no 4 hours work. Ya we 4 hours work do to view bonus. Iga we 4 hours work then I will come here and deal with you. If I have documents of it, I'll go and write contracts. I'm going to write 6 months sojourn. Near work, we are winner. Yeah, big contracts. This one winner. Even on 4 hours work. Yeah, when I still come back here, this is my plan B. You have come back, you go to put up your body with work bazen. Don't play. And we now zoo on order. Now you are not working. She's in maternity home. She's not home. And you know, the both of you are home. Lazy set of couples. Why ever no winner? Apart from this social media and government money, you got the job center pay. I love contract of them. Yeah, pay them. The same amount I pay. The government will not pay you. Well, when you at the end of the month you see 500 euro, not on Facebook, or 400 euro, not on Facebook. It's Facebook will pay you. That's how you live. You are comparing with me. You want to compare with yourself with me. Wait, if I don't get, I don't get 3 million. Who is swore? Say I don't get, I get 3M. If I want to allow it, the social media, my way, you know. Good men, good mommy, go. 3 million back. Yeah, it better be way, but 20 big by 3 million by madman. Get on the so. Where you are so. You know what you do, you fit chest. You know, good. Come I will not view audio good. Come I will not view audio good. You know, go see bring. Me a audio no way at the book. Okay, Alela, why you run? You go run. I'm going to tell you, you go run in that. I don't mind drink. What do I for me? You want to defend Abeyiwa? I go beat you. I'll beat Abeyiwa. If you don't know, make you know now. Yeah, Igbo Abeyiwa, and I'm going to beat you on Abeyiwa with proof. Abeyiwa pay no one knows what on your level. A depression on water any, all like depression, death pressure, like depression, all like death pressure. You may tell me when I'm making nine. Do my end anyway. I don't want to pay no way. Who where? Come see Papilo. Yeah, Igbo wife, I show me the man. Ah, what? Go ask. Abeyiwa anyway. Unu bana yin len Papilo they do disgrace. Near to disgrace MC Papilo. They cannot do that woman. Useless women man yin egbe. Ni ranwa. Ni ade ti ade ogyo. Onto si they are looking for praise and worship from useless men who have document in abroad, cannot walk in abroad. I don't talk, I don't mention any woman name. Makam, my young boy. You see the reason why my prick got a summer for woman because if you see the way my prick this go up and down, you go spray me. And then you go spray me. If you see the way I use this my small peanuts, this my pink bola, the summer to two, you go spray me. I'm a beans. Are you boy? Okay. Let's be realistic. I never read the message I sent to Abeyiwa on her birthday. The same woman who was insulting me. The same woman who was insulting you. I don't care about her insult. I sent her a message on her birthday. She forwarded the message straight to Abeyiwa. What is she trying to prove? Question. If I play you the record she sent to me, when she's telling sorry me, you go run.
Franco, go here, boy. Every year, tiny gig been on social media most here. Oh, go boy. Because you do where not be me do where mine. Oh, go boy. Young man, where do settle? We must be on social media. Me girl be na me. The banana saga me girl. When you hear saga Scott, we don't care about Scott. Scott is reporting on the police one. When no ya saga Scott, or you reporting on we don't care about saga Scott.
This quarter so.
Even why you see my head? And if you know you see Scott, you go only you reporting on the police. I don't want to travel me. Why beg? Why beg? Only I have social media. When you hear what is in the ladia, who you want to talk with you? One time I will you want to talk with Frank. Well, worry. So what I reckon the email do? Well, what we man will play plan with now go. Usaloba ne ekwen.
Ajabona mafodo na gwe.
Ni ya we ma we mi da. Ya mekini ana gwe. Ya emi anu. Any ti ato, look at me vie no. Okay, I return it down we Frank. Oh, return it down.
Yes one.
Wa mi on. Come here. E sagana wa is the way wa we wanje. Why we go? Imara pemara ho.
Ajabo ile yes one.
Anything any attack me mara nya is your do ga je platform me we. Oh, ti no be na ti ameze. Oh, ti we is your we.
Hello. I hear you. Okay. No wala. No wala. No wala. Ajabo, it's enough for what this one to you. In the water. I'm not forward door a sort na go well. I'm not forward na go well. Ajabo, you go learn new thing when time reach. I'm not going to talk. I'm going to sit down like this. I'll cross my leg. You see the way I cross my leg? I'll do my brain. And my kelechi. That's my kelechi. And back of kelechi is there. I'll cross my leg with the kelechi. I'll talk kelechi. I'll drink beer. I'll go sleep off. I'm going to snore. I'll put out you. I'll sleep into the play. I'll just press play off. I'll go sleep soon till the next day. I said, when you finish playing, wake me with alarm. I'll put alarm. I'll put the hours where the thing will take place finish. I'll press the alarm. I check back up. When I maybe no wow. Who are cool, who are fun, who are bookie legal. Oh, when or all. Oh, make a rest. Make a rest. I bet me a drink beer. I was the MC Papilo. MC Papi, man, Papi water. Okay. So we my how do we after the plan? See my hope.
Depression worry where depression or worry where confused life no you make me pain. You come on one now we queen or no boy last. Never you way or maybe I wish you saga well where the boy or give me new argue what we win what we give. Yes now. Oh zee ya mutu ili ya mulip. Ili ya musu life you know to apply life me or you way amuna. You understand? I way ain't gonna. I tell you the drink my beer. I go away. I want to tell you what I'm going to get up. Come, Sarah.
You hear him? That's my reply. That's my reply. I'm not the shadow. I'm not the top. Maybe fly up. Or say, "What man be a giave?" Or row you be a giave. Or row you was in you. Man, no my Imaguyo. It's not easy to chase saga. It's not easy to chase saga. I know shot. I'm not quarrel. I don't mind drink. Saga you want saga, kill you want kill. My yeah with it. But the girl will reach. None of you will like me. Thank God when I know me. When I see how this one is having the good, I never play with you. When they shot me, I never play anything at all. I bear everything. I swallow everything. Yeah, we be. Imagui. You understand? Hello, bro. What all? I'm not good too. Let's speak out. No way speaker. Okay, no speak out. All right, let's speak out now.
I greet all our followers, Baba and my followers. Anyone, Kibeka, anyone, Itu Wayao.
One, two.
Babota. Baba, we are contributing matanakiri. Ubege, have presenter now. I yet to know we presenter now. They find anyhow, we don't bring your enemy down. They find anyhow, you don't want to bring your enemy down. Me matter again, I know the UK. If mammy don't understand the matter, I can't understand the enemy. Also, me not allow. If mammy can't understand the Ajebo, me not call you life Ajebo. You not call you life visual Ajebo. You know where Ajebo wala kuna. Why Equinia Yaga Esino or Bungwe. Me we Valabone. Me matana Valabone. Matana Lay Ajebo. In your panny, I come no wine. Frank Victor or Yokuna and Wayanopun, we like video now. I want to tell you people, Frank Victor or Yokuna and Wayanopun. So for now, I want to make this guy to be a bad person. You know, why with Frank Victor Boto? Why he will why he make Boto? Like to see. I don't know if you understand. Here where kama uzase. Why to me buto? Na go try na go see. Saba ima oni suni anywhere. We not telling no kuna. Ima oni suni anywhere. I beg na I say you want try to jump people now. I want to bring Fabito down. I don't want to mention your name. I beg, please. Where Area from Victor, we have do meeting to bring Fabito down. I call him I beg. One la, I'm only soon anyway. I beg you. I call him la. Anyway, from Victor, I want to live video now. Why that baby that we see live video? Now I'm from Victor. La, why I call him? Why I call him no? Because me man do beg it to a lay. Anyone from Victor Buto and why they do 2024. Who are you no car? Ekinwa you no car magmo kanaimi. It will not say when you go on. Why only why we were go on? It is Baba Domo.
What? I must greet you. Who are you? What understand? I don't with the level of your bar. You feel me so. And I may our fee. It's a small boy. It remains small boy to where to me. No voice recording. My wife I think you got my voice recording going. In my real life video.
Then when I made banner, here boy I'm already out. They know it can't go. They know it can't go.
But understand? If voice recording no put it in a real life video, that means you are watching me. Oh God. Thank God that you are watching the video. Understand now? Oma come my sister. Nyaye bomu where ya. Oma come. Stay away from me. That's the problem. And stop giving my information to presenter. Okay, my way I have a problem. The live video not China. Anything about me, the presenter live video, I'll come and deal with you. Hey, you boy, yo. Hey, you boy, yo. You come into my life to come see how you take break me down. But a nick cow. A bopanya ya no game and bon come your way. And you can never succeed. Because why? Agboya there any. I won't win. Ni mahia no social media. Everybody has known. Who will say no bia? Unamani on the VSC. Ese no manu ya no dan nama on the VSC. You understand? Una will say no one. Who do you get no one to boy you want to know? Ese no fui big. Ese no solo va uno one. Or fui big. Ian no bobole and they need more help from you. Yes. Or say you need bole. Or if you already na yanse ban, Ian will go last. When you talk a queen, I don't be soon. Me no, ya tatose. If you go but you are tatose, and I can see you. So why you that tato go now? If you are going now, I will tell you when we are born. I mean, I have to give away time now. It's just a gift. A gift, you know, from God Almighty. I'm going to tell you soon. We may not have more for Allah with social media. Una are joking. Una are organico. We maintain both France, Germany, America. And I am live video. That's no disgrace in the media. None of them has brought your family name on media to come and be discriminated. Apart from you. You think say all those your friends, your sisters, they don't develop presenter. Or team will comment in the video game. Or team will, is she not commenting on my video? Have you seen her bring herself so low? Or who will feel one goes in the family? Or team went on a hotel, not the hotel. Have you seen her see him where really are you going to present? Have you seen him one day? No. What one on look at? What's your name? You're going to boy. I bet you what. He told her, he got to where? No, in Nigeria. Yeah, give me. Yeah, comment ye now. There was a time I know you call you like you mean. Where me double it one year go no one. The government bowana. The government bowana. It one you will do. Wo wo na luga he. We ma onu ba ne itu ni atere. O we atinye ge de 1 hand and 1.5 hands. No we are Julie. No go on Tito in Nigeria. It one record there. You have the audio. Have you seen it on way to one of the Julie? Remember now because you have the evidence. Has she done that? This is your mom last born. Allah go do we kana. O gi juwe. Ona me nwa se we no go ba. Uma we ne boy. Ou ye ti presenter ni aduna no e ba ye gweje ye ban agbo yin mi ne ou ye kan you we because of you go to me go you go sono you go no ma go ya respect ne gbo wa agbo fiore I was also papa when ke papa popo o mani we aso why be time or now maybe akma ifo last time we spoke this was the same thing I told you. Owo eri go de queen u keke god ne u ye 500,000 na ne bizugbe u ye 500,000 na jebo u ye go ne don priest u ri ne iko munyane ne presenter ni ma we continue relationship opponent day ina we gun when we lock up don't call anybody anymore anybody want to saka you let us saka you. See ya, man. Nobody should call me. See ya, man. Gouvernement do yan. Anybody knows that way? Gouvernement do boué. See ya, man. Gouvernement deal with yan. Wow, you pass my back me at Bizube. Because you know if Bizube have your record. Bam. You know, one of the record, you will let him play your record. Leave him for me. Get me record. Oh, be area 13 there. Okinebo. Today Okinebo is set free. Let them play the record so that you will be free. Isagano. Before I know what will happen, we have to Bizube to cover up his mouth. Also, no papa and no send again. Now, will you go get the ball? Will you get the police? If the police get the they want to fight for you. Will you get there? I'll be going to Nigeria. No way I use Papilo. The British commands. When I go for you. My sister, I go to battle of law. Now me talking. One without you arrested but no arrest. I just know my business. You know you go anywhere. You money you arrest you. You work boy. I hear you tell. Don't joke with me. If you play any stupid record for me again, yeah, you go agbegu. I'm here with tell. Ni agbo. If you don't know, you should know now. Wait till the life event because I have been on this media, I've made my name, I've built my name before your arrival. You feel me so? Before your arrival into my life. And you came into my life to frustrate me. But God will not accept it for you. I won't say I'm not like you chase away from me. Or because of stupid jealousy. What kind of dubious entity relationship in only where to work we are. Why I'm naming you who's one dwelling to the effort. Let me play a record of a woman you insulted. A married woman who's in their husband's house. You insulted that woman, insulted the husband. Just because I say who to love him, who love it. Nobody should call me why nobody should call me. Where to love up of Wortoworto. A fans who was commenting on my platform. You trace the person's phone number, trace the Facebook name to the answer. Don't have a picture of the book. To make sure you eliminated that woman. Don't provoke me. This is the last warning to you. It's the last warning to you. Get it clear. Don't get me angry. Anyway, I go down here in your way. You come with be a just stick like that. Don't get me angry. Because I have in every nonsense, there's always a sense. Don't play. Hey, are you boy? You bought dinner. That's my baby, matter. Man, wait for me. Hello? Hello? What up? No, Masaga. No, not Masaga. No, yeah, I actually topic. Yeah, topic in Roma. Yeah, and when I go, I bet you what goes in. But when I go, we will buy a chocolate one. Roma is not one. My view grew. My view grew. Oh, boy, good. No, my good. My good. Water, awful good. Water. I'm gonna greet you. I greet you, man. Water. That's my lovely. Oh, my good. Get out of your. Alright, my beautiful people, I greet you now, but I'm a vessel, but fine. No, make me verse. You understand? Why are they talking? My man, or where do you be? No, when you understand in Tana, it's when why you are in a you want not do okay. The hearing got one. The hearing got zoo, while no book will give back on the app, send it again, post again. But because this is getting out of hand, totally getting out of hand. Who like up there? Who like up there? Why, no matter what you go here, your enemy. We don't understand what the reason here. What is they try to prove?